Hello everyone. Today we're going to design this crown wheel gear, and I'm Ali Hessam and this is Solidworks Sharks. So let's start. First we gotta have to a new part. Alright, now we're going to sketch. Choose the sketch command, and then we gotta have to choose the top plane here, and let's come here and select a circle in the sketches and start circle from the center of the geometry, and there we want another circle, but first let's give it a dimension right here. Okay, 300 would be okay, and the second circle use 180 would do it. And now let's go to features and click on extruded boss command. Now here we could choose how progressive it could be and the height of our main part. So let's choose it, I think 60 would do it. I have to say, for these crown wheel gears we gotta have to standard, and it's really important to design it by the standard, but now it's just a model, a single model, which is not going to be made out, so it's just for the showing, and it's not important to get involved with the sizes and stuff like that. So now we want these gear places right here. So what we do is that we are actually choosing this side, the surface, and we're going to sketch and click on sketch, or simply click on sketch and then choose the surface. Now here we go. Okay, let's go to sketches and use 3-point arc. Now with 3-point arc we've got this part here. We choose the first point, second point, and the third point would be between those first 2 points. So we choose this one here, that one there, and the third point would be like that. Okay, now let's choose this point and the center of geometry. We click on Control and select both of them at the same time. As you see in selected entities, there are point 1, which is the origin, and point 2, which is this one. So we could add some relationships between these 2 points, and we choose horizontal relationship, and let's make it completely stand and completely with relations, like choose a smart dimension, this point and that one. Yeah, so now we could choose which side it's gonna be actually dimensioned. So we choose this one and we click on the right mouse click, and now it's locked. So let's left click again and choose a transfer the distance and dimension right here, and as we see, we gotta have to choose a radius. Click on that. 18. An 80 radius will do it. Now, this is what we want. Okay, let's click on ESC or exit to unchoose that smart dimension command. Now, what we do is actually we're gonna click on it, and in here we choose for construction, which made this line to a construction line, as you see. And now let's click on circle again and click on the center of the old circle that we made a construction right now, and click on it. Now this is our circle, and also choose a line comes through here, and click on that line, hold Control and the center of our circle. Now let's choose coincident. Now it's actually got passed through the middle of our circle. Now what we do is that we actually have to choose that trim entities and come here and trim these parts. As you see, now this line comes in a blue color, which means it's not actually have no relation. It's not actually how do we say it? It's not it's not defined actually, and the black line here is actually defined, and it means you cannot change it, you cannot move it. But the line here, it's not defined, so you could change the angle of it, but it doesn't make any differences, as you see, because it's a circle. It doesn't make any differences. It's not matter to do anything, but we always try to do fully define all of our sketches. So now let's choose this one and that one right here. Click on Control and click on horizontal. Now our sketch is fully defined, and here we go. Let's get out of that sketch. We've got our sketch right now, and now it's time to come to the features and references and choose a plane. Now we want to create another plane, extra plane for ourselves, so we click on that point as the first reference of our plane, and also this curve, which our plane would be perpendicular to this curve and coincide to this point. It's okay. As we see, now we're gonna have to make a sketch on this plane. So we click on it, simply go here and click on sketch. Now, for our sake, we don't want this to be into our designing this part, so we just hide it. We go to solid bodies. This is our single solid body right here, and we right click or just click on it and choose hide. Okay. Now we'll choose a center line right here. We also don't need this one, so We also hide this sketch as well. Let's choose a line right here. Okay. And another line. Hold on Control button. Choose the middle center line and these two lines, and we choose the relationship symmetric between those. Now it means that it's now actually symmetric, and it will be just symmetric. Also do it for these guys right here, and now we choose the sizes. Let's give it a 20 and a 12. Also the 10 millimeters for height. And now we're going to choose 3-point arc, and the first point, second point, and third point. Okay. Now we choose smart dimension to give it a 12 radius. Show it and choose this point and that one. Click on coincidence. Okay, now it's fully defined, and we choose mirror entities, and for the entities to mirror, we choose this wing right here and mirror about our center line. Now, as you see the preview, they actually do it. And now our sketch is ready. So let's get out of it and again show our sketches. And okay. Now we wanted to cut through this curve and to complete our crown wheel gear. So we use this cut sweep in the features, and for the profile we choose this one right here, and for the path we choose this curve. Now as you see, it also considered and gave this line right here, and these are actually connected. So the solution to that is to cancel it, and you see the sketch, choose to edit sketch and make this one a construction geometry. Now it's just right there, but it does not count as a path. So now let's do it again. Choose sweep bus and our profile and our path. That will do it. And let's click on OK. Oh man, I just choose the sweep bus. I should have choose sweep cut. It just made another bus through here. Now we come here, let's choose sweep cut and the profile and the curve. Click on OK. Let's hide this one right here, and here it is. Now we want to have a fillet right here on this side, so we could either choose fillet command and choose it to be filleted right here. No, we want this kind of fillet. It's clear selection and choose it. It's too much as you see in the preview, so let's go with then 1 millimeter fillet. Choose these two sides and click on OK. Now we've got our fillet, but a better way to do it is actually to do it within the sketch. So we choose our sketch again, our first sketch, our profile, and as the sketch is completed, we choose sketch fillet. It's also the same fillet, just it's simply on the sketch. So it's too much, 10 millimeters. Let's change it to 1 millimeter and select these two edges. And now, as you see, just click on OK and get back. Now, it automatically did the same thing and updated the sketch. Okay. Now, here we are. Let's choose this and hide this one. So what we do actually is that we want to make a circular pattern. So we come here and choose a circular pattern and features and faces. We open the design tree and choose cut sweep, and for the direction we choose this circular inside of the part. So as you see in the preview, we could actually manage to do it in the way that we want. So here is the number of instances. There's 2, and the icon equal spacing means that it actually makes sure and actually divide the numbers into a relationship and into a position that actually makes it equal spaced and actually a symmetric kind of part. So as you move the numbers up, you see it's still equal. And let's go for 30. You see in the preview, it's good. Or maybe 28, be better. 26, okay. Here it is. Actually, it's already done. So we also choose this surface and a sketch on it. Let's click on this side and click on convert, and it is Ctrl 8 to a view onto that surface we choose and we are sketching on. So let's again choose a circle right here and give it a let's say 135. Let's click on it again, 135. Okay, and extruded boss. Now as you see, it's in the wrong direction, and you could come here and choose flip or reverse direction. Click on it, and now we want to choose how it should come. So in this place, we could choose the offset from surface, and for surface we choose this surface, and now we could make and prepare an offset to be far from this surface, you know, like 10 millimeters. Now it's actually 10 millimeters far from this surface. Let's go to 15, back to 10, and also it's merge results, which make it a single solid body. Okay, it will be still a single solid body, and just click on it. Okay, and we've got it. Now if we wouldn't choose, we would unchoose the merge solids and okay on it. As you see, it becomes a single parts, you know, like these parts would be divorced. Actually, they'll be separate parts, and yeah, but it's better to choose it to be a merge. And also we want a slot right here, so we come to the sketch and choose edit sketch, and we want our slot to be like that, a 15 and 10. Also choose a center line right here, hold on Control, click on these 3 lines and choose symmetric. Okay, now choose this point and this circle, choose on coincidence. Now it's actually connected, and as you see it's black, so it means it's fully defined. And let's choose trim entities and delete on it. Also click on this and make it a construction geometry. Now it's better. So we get out, and as you see, automatically it updated. Okay. All right. So this was the crown wheel gear that we designed together. Thanks for watching. I'm Ali Hessam, and we are Solidworks Sharks. Thanks.